How to disconnect your email from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can disconnect your email from Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to disconnect our email from Snapchat, first open Snapchat, come to your Bitmoji profile page, then tap on the gear icon on the top right, and then here you can see our email address. Now your Snapchat account needs a host. That is why you cannot remove the email address in the first place, because this is used for verification purposes and every other purposes over here. So if you want to remove your email address from Snapchat, you have to add a new Snapchat email address over here. So just go ahead and then enter the new address that you might want to use in this case. So I'll also just go ahead and do that. Now this is done in order to actually just verify, because your Snapchat account needs a host. Without an email address, it will not be able to create an account in and of itself. So you just have to keep that in mind. So just tap on this save option over here. Now once we do so, you can see we've successfully actually added our new email address and we have removed the old one. Now what we can do is we can open up our Gmail or anything else and then just verify the new email address by going to the all inboxes section and then see if you have received an email from Snapchat over here as well. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually remove or disconnect your email address. To disconnect the current one, you have to confirm the new one. Hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.